Morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor, February 27th. We got the beans actually still working a little bit higher. We've had technical buying. We've got guys concerned with too much rain down in Brazil. Those areas looking to get some more rain the next week into 10 days. So there are some concerns that have pushed us quite a bit higher. Something, though, that we need to know, looking at China's bean market. They actually had their beans closing a little bit weaker. They're actually unchanged for the week. Well, let's see where ours are. May beans are up 43 cents for the week. Very strong as of this morning. We'll see if this continues. Something that's been going on, some of the other markets. This morning we've got wheat right now pushing to some new lows, down about 8.5 cents. Looks like that the wheat market is starting to roll over, and we're seeing some pressure there out of wheat. Corn down 3 cents as well, kind of struggling to go a lot higher from here as producers are selling grain. A lot of grain out there still to be sold, starting to see that come to the table, and we're starting to see that back off as well. So it might be a matter of time before we get these beans to try to roll over as well. But like I said, big discrepancy between our beans here and China's. So we'll see how we end up finishing the week. We do have export sales coming out in a little bit. Corn, they're looking for 475,000 to 775. Beans, they're looking 400 to 800,000, and then wheat, 300,000 to 500,000. So we'll see what kind of numbers we get there. A surprise may be in beans. We may have better than expected once we'd seen China had bought a pretty good bunch of beans there this week. So we'll see how that looks, but 8 o'clock time sales as well. Are we going to get cancellations? Is China are they buying South American beans and not us? Are we seeing some shifting? We haven't seen anything yet. We've got a report coming out March 10th. Guys are already expecting to see a decline for ending stocks for beans, but also for corn because export sales have been strong there, and ethanol has been very good for corn. So a lot of guys expecting to see some kind of change once again on those balance sheets. Some of the other news that's out there, livestock, cattle right now up 70 cents again. Big day yesterday, another 70 cents right now. We had seen 152. We had a big trade there, cash trade, trading at 152 yesterday, Nebraska. 3,500 heads, very strong. And continuing to push these prices higher. Not only that, box beef coming in very strong as well. Choice up to 245, select up 269. So continuing the strength there, giving reasons to still see these prices find some support. We feel that we may end up peaking out here this week, though. So be careful with that and give us a call. Be glad to help you guys out as far as getting some hedges on for cattle. As far as hogs. Hogs up $1.95 right now for April. April is the only month, if you look at the hogs right now, that is up near that. Very, very sharp run that we've seen for the April contract, mostly because cutout values had stormed higher. Right now, looking at cutout values, though, unchanged for overnight. So very light change at all, very little change. But we still are seeing this big push higher. April right now sitting just below 103. Very, very strong move. Some of the back months, the guys were concerned with this PED issue, starting to tame down a little bit. Not seeing a lot of movement on that. And actually, we've seen those months, the summer months, actually break back some. So very strange to see this April going crazy as it is. But we'll see if it continues. Stock market right now down 32. Gold up $3. Silver unchanged. So outside markets rather quiet this morning. But give us a call if you guys have questions. We're also doing our acreage survey. Get out there, fill that out. We need your information so that we can provide you guys the best numbers that we can ahead of the planning intentions report at the end of March. So 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again next week. Take care.